જો અહીંયા લીધો હશે, from R we have to draw a line parallel to PQ. આ યાદ છે ને તમને કે ભૂલી ગયા? Girls,
Yes.
you do remember this construction or not?
Yes.
Now let me tell you one thing. In parallel line, if you want, you can only construct a diagram. No need of writing the steps if you want. Okay? Is that clear, girls? For question number 3, only construct a diagram. No need to write the steps. And what shape do you set of parallel lines enclose? Two sets of parallel lines જે થઈ હતી આપણી, એ કયો shape belongs કરતી હતી? What was the shape it was constructed? We took Q over here only. આપણે બીજું કઈ કર્યું જ નહોતું. This line was not there. Are you getting? આપણું construction યાદ છે કે નથી, girls?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, question number 1, exercise 10.2. Let us start with this. Who will read this question?
Can I
Yes.
construct triangle XYZ in which XY is equal to 4.5 centimeter, YZ is equal to 5 centimeter, and ZX is equal to 6 centimeter.
Okay. Now the construction is in rough column we can do like this. XYZ નામ આપી દેવાનું છે. Okay? X, Y and Z. A rough diagram કર્યું છે. So XY was how much? XY was 4.5 centimeter. Right? Then YZ is 5. Then ZX is 6. આ રફ એક કરી નાખવાનું, જેથી કરીને આપણે જ્યારે કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટ કરીએ ત્યારે આ ફોર્મમાં આવવું જોઈએ. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now, એવું જરૂરી નથી. As I told you, it is not compulsory that base should be YZ only. It can be XZ also. It can be XY also. It is up to you what kind of a base you are taking. Understood, girls? So let us construct this triangle over here with the help of compass. So we will take a baseline for 5 centimeter by getting ruler and compass. Okay? With the help of scale, we will place 0 centimeter at this point and 5 centimeter over here. Okay, girls?
Yes, sir.
This distance is of between Y and Z. Barabar na? 5 centimeter. Anybody has any doubt with this?
No, sir.
Now open rounder and pencil. First is what? અહીંયા હું લખી નાખું. I forgot to write here. અને થોડુંક પેલા નીચે લઈ લઉં. First XY triangle. Wait. X, Y, Z. Where XY is equal to how much? XY was given equal to 4.5 centimeter, right?
Yes.
And YZ is equal to 5 centimeter.
5.
and last we got is xz or zx. Both are same, huh? Whatever you can write, whatever you can speak, it's both are correct. So this is the thing given triangle XYZ we have to prepare, where XY is given 4.5 centimeter, where YZ is given 5 centimeter and ZX is given 6 centimeter. We took YZ 5 centimeter first, correct? Now what we have to do, we have to take a center point Y. Y ની સાથે common શું છે? Z પણ છે and X is also there. So we have Z and we have Y. So YZ તો આપણે લેવાય નહીં હવે. We got already. We have to find the X only. So by taking center point Y, open rounder and pencil and measure your scale. Scale will be like this. આવી scale હશે તમારી પાસે. Right or wrong? આવી રીતનું measure હશે. So 4.5 will be somewhere between 4 and 5. 4 અને 5 ની વચ્ચે અહીંયા 4.5 આવતું હશે. Are you getting?
Yes.
So open rounder and pencil from 0 centimeter to 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Up by getting that up till 4.5 with the same measurement, take a center point Y here and draw an arc on the top. જેટલું measurement આવ્યું હોય ને 4.5 નું, in the same way you have to draw an arc મોટો જ કરવાનો, because the other arc should get intersect to this arc. So આ arc ને મોટો જ કરવાનો હંમેશા. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is also got, this is also we got. Now XZ is 6 centimeters. So from point Z we have to measure 6 centimeters. Again, open rounder and pencil, measure your scale from 0 centimeter to 6 centimeter. Okay. After getting that, we have to point out Z here and we have to construct this another arc in such a way that it gets intersected to the first arc. Okay. પેલા arc ને intersect થવો જોવે ઈ arc. એવી રીતે construct કરવાનો. Are you getting my point, girls? Girls, are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So this intersecting point will be as X. What is this point? So we got this also, X. Now what we have to do, we have to simply join both the points, X to Y and X to Z. So your construction for 4.5 centimeter and over here XZ is 6 centimeter. Your triangle is ready. Have you all understood how we constructed?
Yes, sir.
It is very easy. It is very, very easy for this triangle as compared to parallel lines. Anybody has any doubt with this question number 1?
No, sir.
So what are the things we did here? Taking baseline, taking line segment YZ with the measure of 5 centimeter will be our first step. Right or wrong?
Yes.
Then taking center point Y with the measure of 4.5 centimeter, draw an arc on the top of the triangle, or sorry, on the top of the line segment YZ. Then taking center point Z, third step, with 6 centimeter, draw an arc on the top in such a way that it get intersected to the other arc and give the intersecting point name as X. Last step, join X and Y, join Y and Z. Therefore, triangle XYZ is ready for the given criteria. Our sum is over. 4 step માં sum પૂરો. અને જે કર્યું, whatever things we are doing here in this triangle to prepare this, that is what we have to write in the statement. If, let me clear you, statement હું તમને એક્ઝામમાં વેલિડ નહીં ગણાવું, નો પ્રોબ્લેમ, તમે નહીં લખો તો ચાલશે, ઓકે, બટ ધ કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન શુડ બી ધેર. અને કન્સ્ટ્રક્શનમાં એક્ઝામમાં પૂછવું એટલે તમારે કાંઈ ગૂગલ ફોર્મમાં કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન કરીને નથી મૂકવાનું. યુ હેવ ટુ ડ્રો દેટ ઇન ધ પેજ એન્ડ યુ હેવ ટુ અપલોડ દેટ પિક્ચર્સ. ઓકે
Yes, sir.
ઓકે, કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન જો પૂછાશે that means you have to do that kind of an activity. Is that clear, girls?
Yes. Yes,
Anybody
sir.
has any doubt with this? Sam?
No, sir. No, sir.
Sure na bachcha?
Yes, sir.
See, in this construction, in this chapter, steps are there. Steps are only that thing of steps should be written. જે આપણે ડ્રો કરીએ છીએ એ જ લખવાનું છે. બટ અકોર્ડિંગ ટુ ધીસ સિચ્યુએશન I am just waving out this steps writing from this chapter right now at the present moment. No need to go to write down the steps for all that things. You have to just understand the question and you have to construct the diagram. Okay?
Okay,
Construct XYZ in which, so this diagram has to be constructed from your end. Any doubt with this? Steps
No,
koi
sir.
hard nathi. Steps are only very easy to write the steps. આપણે આપણા own words માં જ લખવાના છે, but then too I am omitting steps writing from this chapter at the present moment. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, girls. Chalo. Question number 2. Have you all understood question number 1, bachcha party?
Yes.
Sure na beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 2.
Yes,
Chalo.
sir.
Who will read this?
Sir, can I read?
Yes.
Construct an equilateral triangle of side 5.5 centimeter.
What kind of a triangle is given?
Equilateral.
Equilateral. Equilateral means all the three sides will be what? Equal
Yes.
with the same measure. The first question was for what? Scalene triangle. All the three sides are different. See, look here. Pelo je construction keru triangle XYZ. Are you getting? In
Yes.
question number 2, what is the content? It is an equilateral triangle which side is 5.5 centimeter. That means now we have to construct a triangle which is an equilateral and all the sides will be 5.5 centimeters. So let's suppose we have to fulfill the triangle ABC. We will prepare here ABC. Triangle નું નામ નથી આપ્યું, ઓલામાં નામ આપ્યું તો આમાં નામ આપ્યું નથી. So we can take any name. Let us prepare triangle ABC, where AB is equal to 5.5 centimeter, where BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter, and AC is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Any doubt with this, girls?
No, sir.
સમજાય છે કે નથી સમજાતું?
Yes, sir.
A rough diagram I have drawn here. We will prepare like this. See, A, B, and C. All three sides are what? 5.5 centimeter. This also 5.5 centimeter. This also will be 5.5 centimeter. Any doubt with this?
No.
સમજાય છે? So let us start with the baseline. Baseline BC is our baseline. A rough diagram કર્યું એમાં. So we will draw that only. BC, we will take a line segment BC with the measure of scale. Scale થી measure કરીને BC લીધું બેટા?
Yes.
BC is right here. See, we will give the pointer name as B and C over here. A line segment કેનાથી લેવાની બેટા? What we have to prepare this line segment?
Scale.
With the help of? With the help of
Scale.
scale. Now taking center point B with the same measure, open rounder and pencil up to 5.5 and taking center point B, draw an arc on the top. Draw an arc on the top with the same measurement, because here also it is 5.5 only. So by taking center point C, draw an arc on the top in such a way that it intersect to the other arc. Give the intersecting point name as A. Now join point A and point B and point A and point C. Can you see? It is an equilateral triangle with the same measure, all the three sides. Here you have to write 5.5 centimeter. Here you have to write 5.5 centimeter. Anybody has any doubt with this construction? Sum number 2.
No, sir.
No.
Confirmed as Sarah, Modesa, Aisha. All the girls, I am asking to all the girls.
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes,
sir
sir.
નું તમે measure કરવા જશો તો it might be having an error in it, because I have not done with accurate measurement. But your diagram will be compulsory with the accurate measurement. Why? Because you are going to use your rounder and scale for measuring the things. Now, after completing this construction with the help of rounder, once you put your scale over here on line segment BC, you will find this 5.5 centimeter only. Agar jo na મળતું હોય, that means your construction is wrong. મળવું જ જોવે. If you place a scale at point AC, it should be 5.5 centimeter. મળવું જ જોવે. If you are not getting, that means your construction is wrong. Understood, girls?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
doubt with this second sum?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Chalo, third. Sorry? Third sum. Who will read this? Now in this, the name is given. Who will read this?
So can
So can I read it?
Yes.
Question number 3. Draw a triangle PQR with the PQ is equal to 4 centimeter, QR is equal to 3.5 centimeter, and PR is equal to 4 centimeter. What type of triangle is it?
What type of a triangle is this? Two sides are equal, I think so.
Isosceles.
Isosceles. Very good. So we have to construct simply. Let us construct this diagram. And the name is given, so we cannot take any other name. Only this name should be taken into granted. What is the name given here? PQR. Yes or no? Triangle PQR is given?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
PQ is given 4 centimeter. PQ is equal to 4 centimeter. Then
QR is
given-
equal to 3.5 centimeter.
is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Oh, sorry, centimeter. And last,
PR is equal to 4 centimeters.
PR.
PR is equal to 4 centimeter. Is that all clear here?
Yes, sir.
So now what we will do, sir, હવે શું કરશું? Nothing. We will take a rough diagram over here. Rough diagram એવું નથી કે સર આ તો ઇક્વિલેટરલ ટ્રાયંગલ છે. ઇટ્સ ઓકે, ખાલી ટ્રાયંગલનો કન્ટેન્ટ આપણે સમજવાનો છે. If we take PQR here, so we will take QR as our baseline. Why, sir? because it is 3.5 and other two are equal. So એક જ measurement માંથી બે આર્ક થઈ જશે આપણા 4 centimeter ના. So let us take with 3.5 centimeter as our QR. સમજ પડે છે? So P will be on the top and this will be also 4 centimeter and this will be also 4 centimeter. તો અહીંયાથી એક જ મેઝરમેન્ટમાં બંને સાઈડ આર્ક થઈ જશે અહીંયા ને અહીંયા. Are you getting?
Yes.
Are you all getting my point? What we are doing here?
Yes, sir.
So let us draw with the help of scale and pencil 3.5 centimeter. So taking this point and this point into grant, Q and R. 3.5 centimeter. Understood, girls?
Yes,
Now
sir.
open your rounder and pencil with scale. Measure with scale as 4 centimeter exactly. By taking center point Q, draw an arc on the top with 4 centimeter. Barabar? With the same measurement, draw an arc from the top with 4 centimeter. Is it clear? From R. Because both the points are of 4 centimeter, PR and PQ. સમજાય છે કે નહીં? So this point will be P, this intersecting point. Now what we can do, we have to join point P and point Q. Point P, point R. So this is the diagram. What you are getting is of 4 centimeter PQ, 4 centimeter PR. So if two sides are equal, it is been known as isosceles triangle. What is the type of a triangle is this?
Isosceles.
Anybody has any doubt with this?
No, sir.
સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
No,
આવું
sir.
વચ્ચે લખવાનું નથી હો, આપણે તો ખાલી નીચે આન્સર આપવાનો છે. This is the in the diagram I wrote. Are you all getting? હજી આ સરનું છે ને એક્યુરેટ નથી આવેલું. This arc should be exactly in between. આ જે accuracy માં આવે. Once you measure that with your rounder and pencil, you are going to get accurate measurement. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
સમજાય જ ને છોકરીઓ?
Yes.
સર આર્ક કેટલા મેઝરનો કરવાનો?
Yes, sir.
હે? શું?
સર આ આર્ક છે ઉપરનો એ કેટલા મેઝરનો કરવાનો?
જેટલા મેજરનું આપ્યું એટલા મેજરનું કરવાનું. કઈ સર કઈ ઘરની ખેતી મૂકી નથી દીધી અહીંયા લાવીને. તો આટલા સમમાં તું આયા કરી ગઈ, તને કાંઈ નથી આવડતું તો આ કેટલા મેજરનો આર્ક કરેલો હોવો જોઈએ? કે મન પડે એટલો આર્ક કરી નાખવાનો. It is clearly given here P અને Q. તો Q છે અહીંયા, P નથી. So P અને Q કેટલા સેન્ટીમીટર નો હોવું જોઈએ? So from Q, with the help of scale and rounder pencil, અહીંયા rounder નો point મૂકો, અહીંયા pencil નો point મૂકો. It is like this. આ તમારું pencil ના rounder છે આ. Like this. You have to open and point Q પરથી આપણે pencil ને આપણે arc draw કરવાનો છે like this. And same way P and R is having 4 centimeter. So R છે, P નથી. So from point R we have to draw another 4 centimeter like this. સમજ પડે છે? જે 4 centimeter ના મેઝરમેન્ટ જે આપેલું છે એ જ લેવાનું છે. એવરી સમમાં આપણે એ જ કર્યું. Where were you up till now? કે સડનલી 4th સમમાં તને જાગવાનું થયું? ચલો, who will read the next question? Question number 4.
So can I
Yes.
construct triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 2.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 6 centimeter, and AC is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Measure triangle B.
What we have to do? What kind of a triangle is this, first of all?
Scalene.
Scalene triangle. So the triangle has to be formed. Then from wherever you are placing angle B, આપણે પ્રોટેક્ટર મૂકી અને મેઝર એંગલ B ખાલી માપવાનું છે. Is that clear? What is the question is? કાંઈ બીજું છે નહીં. So let us write the question here. Triangle ABC is given.
Yes.
Where what are the contents? AB is 2.5 centimeter. And BC is 6 centimeter. And last one,
AC is equal to 6.5 centimeter.
AC is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Okay? These are the things given here.
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Barabar na? Now we will draw a rough triangle. Now one thing left, huh? Sorry. We have to measure angle B. Angle B is equal to question mark. After completing the diagram, we have to measure angle B. Okay? So, if we take a rough diagram right here, for example, if we take 6 centimeter as BC, BC lai lido 6 centimeter, then A will be on the top. So, AC is 6.5 centimeter. And AB will be 2.5 centimeter. Barabar? So what is the construction that we have to follow? We have to, at the end, construction to તમને આવડે જ છે કઈ રીતે કરવું ઈ. But at the end we have to measure this angle. સમજ પડી કે ના પડી? This is what the question is. Now we are going to take our baseline. We took our baseline with 6 centimeter. થોડીક નાની કરું છું. Have you all understood this?
Yes.
So your voice is cutting.
What about other girls? Are you all getting my voice properly?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
B and C,
Yes, sir.
6 centimeter. So first criteria fulfilled, B and C 6 centimeter. Okay, now what? From B, we have to construct A 2.5 centimeters. So open rounder and pencil with the help of scale, measure it from 0 centimeter to 2.5 centimeter. So placing center point B, we have to draw an arc over here like this. It will be like this. Understood? 2.5 centimeter. Then, so this is over 2.5 centimeter. From point C, we have to construct AC. Open rounder and pencil, draw an arc. Open rounder and pencil up to 6.5 centimeter. Draw an arc like this. See, let me tell you one thing. Sometime it happens that તમારું construction આવી રીતનું આવે કે અહીંયાથી તમે આ માર્ક કર્યો હોય તો આવી રીતનું આવે. Are you getting? Like this. Sir, હવે આ તો joint થતું નથી, હવે કેમ કરવાનું? But joint નથી થતું એવું ના હોય બેટા. You have to draw an arc bigger. કાં તો અહીંયાથી લઈને આ મોટું કરી નાખો, કાં તો આ construction ને મોટું કરી નાખો. Understood?
Yes.
Arc should be done in such a way that it should be intersect with each other. Accurate measurement હશે તો intersect થશે ને થશે જ. Is that clear, girls?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
getting my point? થોડો arc છે ને મોટો કરી નાખવાનો with the same measurement. Understood, girls? So this point will be given as name A. Now what we have to do, we have to construct this lines by joining A to B and A to C. So this will be your 2.5 and this will be your 6.5. Anybody has any doubt with this?
No, sir.
No? Very good.
No, sir.
Now, our concept is not over yet. We have to place a protector. Protector to ખબર ને આપણે D.
Yes.
Yes or no? This will be a
Yes.
center point of the protector. And if we have to measure this side, we have to place a protector and we will measure from this side. Are you getting? If we want to measure this side, then we will place a protector like this and we will measure from this side. Protector બંને side થી measure થાય તો ખબર ને girls? So at present moment we have to place this point at point B here exactly. સમજાય છે? And we have to form this angle. We have to find this angle. We have to place a protector and once you measure it should be 80 degree. Agar 80 degree na આવતો હોય, that means your sum is wrong. This is your 0 degree and તમારું construction અહીંયા 90 degree આવે છે. અહીંયા સીધે સીધું શું આવે 90 degree. Your construction is like this. It should be 80 degree. ના આવતું હોય, that means your construction is wrong. સમજાણું કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubt with this sum number 4?
No, sir.
Sure na bachcha party?
Yes, sir.
So our exercise 10.2 is over. Let us construct exercise 10.3. Chalo. Who will read this? Do one thing, it's almost time is up. So your homework is you have to complete exercise 10.1 and 10.2 to construct parallel lines and the triangles with all the 3 sides given. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Have you all understood the things what I told? You have
Yes,
to
sir.
simply construct all these sums from both the exercise 10.1 and 10.2 one time in your